Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me, and I found something new out in the wild this morning. So yeah, 2425 OPC retail. So yeah, I had a case that I just went through, but one of the things you can't get in the case are these exclusive yellow bordered Marquee Rookies. I think they fall about one Marquee Rookie a box, so yeah. Odds are long to pull like a Celebrini or a Michkov, but they only had 3 blasters slash value boxes at the Target, so I just grabbed 2. I did leave the one behind instead of taking all of them, but yeah, what is it, 10 packs or 9 packs, and it's only 25 bucks, so it's like, what the heck. Plus you get like 1 yellow per pack. So get right to the meat and potatoes. We got a Kevin Fiala yellow to start. Villehuso retro. And I think you're guaranteed to get at least 1 all-star per box. Oh, we got our red and 1 red. So there's our first Marquee Rookie of Olin Zellweger for the Ducks. And then a Logan Couture retro, or yellow, sorry. And a Maverick Bork red. That's the thing out of my case. I think I had 1 rookie red out of the whole case. $16 boxes. This will get an all-star here. Yep, William Nylander, all-star. Kirby Doc on the yellow. Ah, dang it. Bumped into my pile here. Get another retro, looks like. And it's another vet. Pavel Mintyukov for the Ducks. And then a Miles Wood retro. Be getting close to getting our rookie. And the one thing you cannot get out of retail is the playing cards. Oh, there's a nice Slavkovsky. That's what, his 3rd year. And then a Troy Terry for the Ducks. Retro. And I don't believe you can get any of the patch cards or anything like that that you get out of retail or out of hobby as well. Either an all-star or young gun, or not young gun, but Marquee Rookie. Ooh, checklist. Another vet. Kyle Connor for the Winnipeg Jets, and then Leon Draisaitl all-star. So down to our last 3 of the first box. Could be a young gun in this one. Ooh, a checklist yellow. And it's the big one because it's the one with all the young guns. Or, excuse me, Marquee Rookies. I don't know why I said young guns. There's Logan Stankoven, and should have on the front Celebrini, Lane Hudson. That'd be a nice one to get too, because it starts at 541. There's Logan Malou, Maverick Bork, who we got the red of. There's Logan Stankoven. And why am I not seeing him? I know he's here somewhere. I think I missed it because he's on the front. Yeah, there he is, Michkov. Tyson Berry blue. Chibrikov, Marquee Rookie. Gotta be coming up on our one yellow young or Marquee Rookie. I keep saying Young Gun. I don't know why. Looks like another retro. Kevin Stenlund yellow for the Panthers, and then a Colin Groff for the Sharks. I assume he's a rookie. Yep, so that's a high number. The wrong Shark rookie. I say wrong. At present, the not as highly sought after one. So I did not get a single Marquee Rookie yellow. Christopher Tanev and a Matt Zuccarello. So I guess if you count the checklist, but that was not that exciting. On to box 2. But at least it was only 25 a piece. And plus, since I purchased it with Target, there's like, what is it, 3% off all purchases. So I did not pay full price. On to the second and final box. Will anything good come out of this one? Peter Kochetkov and our yellow, and this start off this one. Vladislav Namestnikov, Stamkos retro. I'm sure I mutilated that name. Oh, we got a Marquee Rookie in this one. Seamus Casey. Not the one I was hunting for. James Van Riemersdyk. Now on the Blue Jackets. Blue. And then a Graham Clark Marquee Rookie. So this one, to start out the box, we finally get a yellow Marquee Rookie. Maybe we can get lucky and have 2 in this box. Of course, it'd be crazy if Upper Deck did like hot boxes where every yellow was a Marquee Rookie. That'd make it for quite the chase, I tell you. That sounds like a great idea for them to do. Thomas Tatar. Back on the Devils, even though it shows them on the Kraken. And Jacob Trouba retro. Oh, we got a silver foil, so we got something numbered. Oh no, it's Premier. My bad. Parker Kelly. Ottawa, but actually now on Colorado. He hasn't been in the league that long. A Mason Morelli, Premier Rookie. P95. And Akil Thomas. Marquee Rookie for the Kings. I guess we hit the halfway point of the box. Luke Shen. Nice color match for the Preds. Yellow. And Ilya Samsonov, who was on the Maple Leafs, but now is on the Golden Knights. I don't know if he still is, but I didn't follow all the transactions here at the trade deadline, but you know, there was a lot of movement. Sad seeing Marchand let go from Boston to Florida, but I get it. Trying to save money. All-Star. Bobby McMahon, yellow. And a Connor Hellebuck, All-Star. And this one, yellow. Gustav Nyquist, another color match. And a Claude Giroux. Next to the last pack. It's almost over. Do we end it on a high note? Oh, we got another All-Star or a Young Gun. Or, again, Marquee Rookie. Hey, Connor Geeky. So I did get 2 in this box. And Mason Morelli. Marquee Rookie. So I did make up for it from the last box. Only having, or not having any. So the average is way out. 1 a box. On average. John Carlson is our final yellow. And Aku Rate is our retro rookie in this box. So, our notables, I guess, we'll do it this way. So in no particular order, we've got the Connor Hellebuck, All-Star, Van Riemersdijk on the blue, Tyson Berry blue, Draisaitl All-Star, Nylander All-Star, the Maverick Bork, red, Marquee Rookie, a Mason Morelli, Akil Thomas, Graham Clark, Nikita Chibrikov, Olin Zellweger are all our base Marquee Rookies. And I got a Mason Morelli, OPC Premier Rookie, and our 2 yellow retail exclusives. Marquee Rookies got the Connor Geeky for Tampa Bay and the Seamus Casey for the Devils. So, did not see a single Celebrini, Stankoven, come on, I'm forgetting the other one now. Michkov. I guess you would count this one as a Marquee Rookie, possibly, because again, it's the checklist that it has all the Marquee Rookies. But again, you get quite the stack of yellow parallels. It would take you quite a few cases, I would think, of retail in order to complete the full 600 card checklist. I wonder if anybody's ever tried it. I know I'm not planning on doing it, but it would be crazy if somebody did. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hope you all have a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.